Okay, as you can see by the gauges, there's no Freon in the system. We're going to remove the gauges, and in this video we're going to show you how to find a Freon leak, or the most easiest place to look for one. Okay, you want to look for oil in the caps on your ports as a sign, because when Freon leaks it has oil in the Freon that you'll see signs of. Another good spot to leak is right here at the service valves and the kink valves. See if any oil is there. These are very prone to leaks and very easy to check. Now you can see in this unit that the leak was here, and the prior tech put some tape around it and tried to tighten the cap down. We're going to go ahead and remove the straighter valves. You can see how brown and burnt the bad one was. We're going to put two new ones in. You attach the straighter valve to the extension here and slide it in. Obviously this would be a different procedure if you still had pressure in the system. There will be another video that will show you how to remove and replace a straighter valve when you have pressure in the system. Just detach them, screw them in.